Hello everyone. So if you want to unlock our smart lock remotely from anywhere you are in the world for your impromptu visitors, all you have to do is to download OVO Smart app by Vin Global Technologies Limited. When you download it from your Apple Store app or your Google Play Store, first of all, you need to connect to your house Wi-Fi first. So when you connect to your house Wi-Fi, you open this OVO Smart app. When you open it, I've already connected so many devices. That's why you are seeing all this in the app. So just ignore this. When you download it, here is going to be blank. So this plus sign, you need to click on it. Once you click on the plus sign, you come down, you see where security and video surveillance is. You click on it, and then you go to the lock Wi-Fi, you click on it, and then you put in your password. Is because I've already imputed this password, that's why the password is here. So you have to put in your password, and then you click on next. So when you click on next, you will see below where they wrote confirm the indicator is blinking rapidly. So what you need, you come to your smart lock. When you come to your smart lock, you press the star hash. It will ask you to put your admin password. It's either you put your fingerprint or you put your admin password, the one you've already registered. After putting that, you press the hash button. When you press the hash button, you go to user settings. That's the number 2. When you click on user settings, you come here, you see, when you click on 4, you will see manage wireless. You click on 4, and in 1 you will see add Wi-Fi. You click on 1, and then you will see again select Wi-Fi mode. You select 1, which is the Wi-Fi mode. Add Wi-Fi 1 and select Wi-Fi mode 1. So it will start counting down. While it's counting down, you come back here, you click on the dot sign, confirm the indicator is blinking rapidly. Then you click on next. It will start looking for this device. Then it will take some seconds to connect to this device. You can see it's counting down. It will take some seconds for it to connect to pair with this device, and once it pairs, you can unlock from anywhere you are in the world. Once you open your OVO Smart app, you can unlock for your impromptu visitors, your impromptu guests, your family friends that come to your house while you are not around, your dispatch rider that comes to supply something for you. You can unlock your door for all these people. So as we wait for the seconds to count down, I just want to let you know that you can unlock your gates, turn on your lights, your water heater, your ACs, your TVs. You can do that with this. So now it has already paired and connected. So you can select any name you want from here. This pencil sign, once you click on it, you can impute any name you want. You can write it, entrance lock and all that. So once you're done, you click on the save button, and then it saves. After saving, you click on done. So right now, we want to check if this what we did is working. So what you need is, once you have a guest, what the person needs to do is just to click on this bell sign, doorbell sign. So when the person click on this doorbell sign, it means the person is knocking. A notification will be sent to your phone. You see the notification is here. So when the notification comes, you click here and then click on confirm. The door unlocks. From anywhere you are in the world, you can unlock your door with our OVO Smart app. Thank you everyone. We will show you other of our locks and other of our products on how you can pair them to OVO Smart app and do it yourself. Thank you everyone.